welcome to Reading Corner with Laura. This video is a quick tutorial to show you how to pronounce each of the set one sounds so that when you're working with your children you can make sure they're pronouncing their sounds correctly and you can correct them where you need to. Okay, let's make a start. The first one is a, t, p, I, n, s, o, v, e, b, y, h, j, w, sh, f, z, g, x, d, k, o, a, f, nk, So if you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Reading Corner with Laura. Have fun working on phonics with your children and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.